Hey guys, Soccer from sakitech, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get liquid glass icons on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and also I'm going to show you guys how to customize the liquid glass icons so they look exactly the way you want them to look. You can see we have the icons right over here. In my case, I have chosen the circular type, but you can get any style that you want and customize it further. So let's dive in and let me show you exactly what to do. So the very first step that you want to do is you want to go to the Samsung store. So just type in store, okay? And you want to make sure you download the Good Lock application. So search and simply go for the Good Lock application, which is going to be right here. You tap on it and you want to make sure this is installed. It is a free app made by Samsung for Samsung phones. So once you open this up, you're going to see a whole bunch of modules you are able to install. You only need one for the liquid glass, and that's going to be the theme park module. If you never installed it before, when you tap on it, it will take you to the store and allow you to install it. If it's already installed, you tap on it and that's going to launch the theme park. Okay, that's the module under Good Lock. So all you do is you go to icon right over here, okay, and then you tap on create new. So you tap on that and you're going to get your customization screen. Now the first step is to choose what shape you want. You can do circle, semicircle, you can do this teardrop, and you have all these various options you can pick from. Now I like this one right over here. So choose the shape and then go to effects right over here, and all you do is you tap on glass. Okay, so that's going to be the default option, but you can see you can change the edges, you can change the lightning, and you can change the angle, and you can change the color for each individual feature of the icon. So let me just show you the edge real quick. So look at the edge. As I make the tweaks, you can see the edge over here gets fatter or thinner. So if I go to the edge 2, you can see that's a very thin line, a glass line. If I go over here, it's going to be a little bit thicker, and you're going to get a little bit more gradient. And then you have the light. So you can decrease the light to make it light, or you can increase it to make it really pronounced. And then you can change the angle of the reflection. So look at this. I can go over here. Reflection goes down, so you can pick exactly where you want the reflection to be. And then what you can do is you can change each color. So for example, the glass color right now is gray, but if I want that to be, just as an example, green, I can do a green glass, as you can see. Tweak the settings and give it a nice look. It's all going to be up to you. I'm just going to go back here twice. I want you guys to see. Again, I'm going to stick to the default. So I'm going to tap on create, choose a shape, go to effects, go to glass, make some minor modifications here. And then what you do is once you're satisfied with the way this looks, you tap on save. Okay? And you give it a name. I'm just going to say liquid glass X, just as an example. Tap OK. Now once that is saved, it is going to show up here under your icon packs. This is the one I created before, and this is the new one. You tap on that, and then you tap on apply, and that's going to apply the specific liquid glass icon pack you just created, as you can see. And the good news is it does apply to almost all the apps. Some apps will not get it, but most apps will get it, as you can see on the screen. Now these are my shortcuts that I made, so they're not going to get that. So these are very specific shortcuts I created. They're not going to get any icon application, but you can see calculator looks beautiful. Find, WhatsApp, my wallet, Chrome, camera, all that has been affected. So that's how you do it. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.